Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your money from Metamask app to your bank account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app and already logged in, and now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on the screen, where you can see the exchange option at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap on that exchange option, and now you can see the send option at the field, so simply select the send. And now you need to enter your wallet address over here that supports the bank withdrawal, and you will be able to transfer your money from Metamask to your bank account successfully. So basically this is how you can transfer your money from Metamask app to your bank account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.